To add to never sleeping up list in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the settings screen, find battery and device care, and then tap battery and device care. Select battery, and then tap background usage limits. Select never sleeping apps, and then tap plus icon to add app, and then select app you want to add. You can sort app by name, battery usage, or most recent. Then select apps you want to add in never sleeping app, and then tap add if you finish. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.